Hey guys, it's Dr. Gage again. Wanted to take a moment to think about environmental justice from a global perspective. A gain for environmental justice in the US is a loss for environmental justice in low-income countries. Why do I say that? We don't want the trash in the low-income fence-line community neighborhoods and the toxic dump sites. We don't want these exposures, but someone has to take it. And typically that is low-income countries like Ghana, Uganda, Tanzania, South Africa, Ethiopia, Senegal, and Kenya were among the African countries that received American plastic garbage. Most of it's hard to recycle, it's not valued. We send our trash around the world. So that's why it's a loss for low-income countries. It's a gain for that dump site being taken away out of the low-income neighborhood somewhere here in America, but it's a loss for low-income countries. So ask yourself, okay, Dr. Gage, I don't like what's happening to our environment. What can I do? Here is a list of tips of what you can do. You can try to reduce the amount of meat you eat. In the video you'll see this week, Leonardo DiCaprio talks about with another man, they talk about how if you reduce eating beef, just beef alone, you reduce your footprint extremely if you go meatless, because of red meat beef being responsible for greenhouse emissions. So just stop eating meat or reduce it. Stop eating dairy. It's that cow that's the issue. You can change your car driving habits. In Amsterdam, I walk around everywhere. I take my bike. I try to. It's not really a feasible an option in the US, but you can try to take public transport more often or carpool, things of that nature. Simply walk. Also, think about how you use water. We use and waste a lot of water. So if you take a shorter shower or don't leave the tap running when you're brushing your teeth, that really helps. If you reduce the amount of paper in your life, 40% of the world's commercially cut timber is used for paper. So it's endangering natural habitats. It uses a lot of water to produce. So paper is actually really expensive. It's ruined the rainforest. So think about the bank statements can go paperless. Paper towels, you can use towels in your kitchen. Opt out of junk mail. Think about how you wrap or what you wrap your Christmas presents with. These are things that can help reduce paper production. Use a refillable water bottle. Use reusable lunch containers. For us, refilling water is not always that easy because we have bad water here. The landfills, though, are overfilling with water bottles, and that's a huge issue. Be mindful for what you throw in the trash. Can you recycle it? If you put it in the trash, can you recycle it? And if you can you, instead of throwing it away, repurpose it or reuse it for something else? If you're going shopping, bring your own bag, a reusable shopping bag. That's a really great thing for the environment because plastic bags are a huge threat to marine life. And my number 9 top way that you can help the environment is to borrow it, fix it, instead of just rebuying it again. So stop doing the buy something cheap, throw it away. Start thinking about how you can reuse what you have. So there you go. If we can all try to work with this, maybe we can do our part to have a better tomorrow.